Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement, and in this video I will tell you that how to get the free courses from the world best websites, online websites from free of cost, and to enroll in that course. So for example, if you want to learn Microsoft Excel or Power BI or any other skill related to your desired career path, so you can find all those courses free of cost, and the quality of the content is very reliable and very effective and efficient in terms of your effort versus return equation. So let's get started. I will be explaining you about that, how to enroll in the free courses to get the skill set. So I have opened 3 websites. The first one is udemy.com, the second is edX.org, and the third one is Coursera. These 3 websites are one of the most popular websites to get the free or paid courses according to your requirements. So for example, if I want to learn Microsoft Excel, so I have just opened udemy.com, and in search for courses I will write Excel, okay, and I will click on the search icon. It will search around that all the courses available on the Udemy. Now you can see that there are so many courses regarding Excel, and they are the paid courses. So first of all, if you want to go for the free courses, what you can do is, if you can see on my screen that there is an option or a button called all filters. Click on that, and here you can see that in the criteria of price there are 2 fields. The first one is paid and the other one is free. So click on free, okay, check mark this checkbox and click on apply. So when you click on apply, all the free courses related to the Microsoft Excel will be on your screen, and you can just start enrolling in that courses, or you can just click on that course, review the course outline, and any course which suits you, and if you find that it will be beneficial for you, you just enroll that in that course free of cost. So there are so many free of cost courses available on Udemy, not just for the Excel but any skill set you want. For example, let's say Python, okay, so I'm searching for the Python, and in the all filters you can see that there are 107 free courses available. I will click on apply, and you can see that now I found free courses, Introduction to Python Programming or Python for Absolute Beginners. So this is how you can explore this online courses and make your skill set more stronger, that you can perform in industry very well. Alright, the second website is edX.org. This is a simple URL. Go to their search bar and write, for example, Excel or any other skill set you want to find out. So it will load, and it will show you some of the paid courses or the free of cost courses also. So you can just click on that, and you can just enroll in those Excel courses. Alright, so this is a very big library available of different kind of skill sets. The third one is Coursera, Coursera.org, and you can see that there are many recent skill sets. You can see the list of recent skill sets regarding machine learning, AI, data science or Excel. So let me just click on Excel, and it will again shows me courses related to the Excel. So the best part of the Coursera is that you can apply for the financial aid, and once it's approved it will be free of cost for you. So that's not an issue. You find the relevant course for yourself and just click on that, go to that course, and if you find that it's a paid course, go for the financial aid, and then after a few days it will be available free of cost to you. Right, you can just scroll down for the course outline if you find that it is feasible for you.